Hi, my name is Ibrahim and I'm making this video who doesn't believe in yourself. I feel you should believe in yourself because when you believe in yourself, you will do unbelievable things. For that, you have to believe in yourself. You have to tell yourself that you are the best. You are the best person. You have the best brain in the world. For that, you have to believe in yourself. When you're doing something new, which nobody had done before, you have to believe that you are gonna make a change. You're gonna think different way. Don't copy others. Because when you copy others, you follow to restrict in that area only. You're not gonna make it bigger. So experience something which is gonna open wide. Right? So for that you have to believe yourself. Why am I always saying that believe in yourself, believe in yourself, believe? I see more people are thinking about the negative in their life. More people are thinking negative in life, and some I see they're committing suicide. Nowadays, if you compare so many people, so many, if you see every day in a newspaper, you will find out so many people are committing suicide. Young generation is committing suicide. They don't have the power to face the pain. I said, if you get the pain, the more pain you get, the more strong you become in life. Right? The more pain you get, the more strong you become in life. Because if you get the pain, you are able to learn how to solve it. Take it as a challenge. Take it as a challenge. Face the pain. You have to face it. But you don't have to commit suicide. You don't have to think. You don't have to keep yourself depressed. Because when you keep thinking about depression, the mind will not work. For that you have to know nothing is impossible. There is nothing impossible in this world. Because even impossible itself says I am possible. Only thing you have to think in a cool mind. Okay, you have whatever it is. If you have a bigger thing, bigger problems, smaller problems, whatever it is, think in positive attitude. Don't think in a negative. It will not gonna work. When you say it will not gonna work, when it is gonna work also, it will not work. Right? So it will not gonna work. All you have to do is, if it is hard, you know it is hard. But tell your heart it is very easy. When you say yourself it is very easy, things become more easy for you. It's more easy. So for all that, you have to believe yourself. If somebody telling you you cannot do it, you don't have the ability to do, you are not the man to do, then who he is to guide? Who is he to judge you? He can't judge. He is not the God to judge you. Even God doesn't judge. God also knows that I made everyone same. Everybody have the capability to do it same way. How everybody is doing. So you don't have to think what others will think. You have to think about your heart, what is good and how can I solve this problem. Right? It is very easy. It is not that difficult. If you think it is difficult, then it will gonna be more difficult. For you, you just have to concentrate, keep smile. If you're getting some pain, be happy. Oh, I got something. Now I'll be more strong. I'll be more happy to solve it rather than crying for it. Don't cry. Don't do bullshit. Don't do commit suicide. Don't do this. Because whatever it is there, it happens for reason. There is certain reason in life. Nothing happens without reason. And we have to see that reason. Everything happens, it happens for good. There is some reason in life. So, I want you to believe in yourself. All I want is believe in yourself. If you compare, I can give you many people examples if you want to know how to believe in. If you say Mr. Bean, he never talks. He never talks on his Mr. Bean TV series, he never talks. He just do that thing, but he rocked the world. He's a comedic king, right? He's doing so many things, great things, he's making people laugh, smile. He's giving without talking. He's big, without talking, he's making this so much. Man, he started his Facebook on 2004, but now everybody have a Facebook account. They don't have a bank account, but they have a Facebook account. He didn't thought that people were gonna use it or not. He made for himself. At work. Because we have to do what is good for us, what will benefit us. It will definitely gonna benefit others. So think about yourself, love yourself. That is more important, because I see many people are desperate. They don't love themselves. They think the world is over. We don't have anything to do. It's wrong. There is many things to do in life. Life is all open. Only thing you have to see which door is open for you, which is the best place for you. You have to. You have to think. Enjoy your today. Make your today better. Tomorrow will definitely gonna be better. So you have to believe in yourself. And still, if you don't believe in yourself, I just say, see the handicapped persons. See them. They are full enjoy of their lives. They love their life. They are handicapped. They don't have hands, legs, but they still love their life more than I do. I have my life, but they more love more life. I get the inspiration from them. I see them when I'm really start. I see them. I see the who is the most sad person. I say, oh God, he's so happy, having so much trouble, but still is facing it. So what's problem in me? Why can't I face this problem? What is there? What is there is not in my body with I can face it. Right? So always be positive to yourself. You are the best. Every day do something that you never did before. First, always smile. Keep smiling. When you're talking with someone, keep smiling. And if he's angry on you, a certain time, if he's older than you, and if he's angry, even a junior, even younger than you, and if he's angry, like really angry, don't argue with him. Don't tell anything at that time. Because when he's angry, his brain will stop working. Like I said, you have to always keep smiling. When he's angry, his brain will stop working. And if you say anything, even if you tell true, even if you tell blah blah, he will say that you are wrong, I am right. Don't argue when a person is angry. Let him cool down, become some more like you. Right now, if you are smiling, let him become also smile. Let him smile. Then you can tell him that, nah, what you said was not correct, it was so and so. Explain later on. Don't explain when he's angry. You believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, I can face anybody in the world. I don't care who you are. For me, you're a human being. I face you. If I think, oh God, he is some big and this is a great person, you like, I don't care. For me, you are first a human being. I am right in my side. I don't care. I don't care. That is what you have to. You have to believe in yourself. If somebody is pushing you down, tell him, why you are pushing me down? Only because I am growing up. Right? You are growing up, that's why he wants to push you down. So you have to feel proud to yourself that you can. You can do it. Right? You can do it. You have the ability to do it. You have the ability to do it. So every day when you wake up, say yourself that you are the best. You are the best and you have the capability to do. You have the ability to do. And please, don't only say, you have to prove yourself. Don't prove others. You have to prove yourself. Do something good for you. And definitely, it will work for you and you will become more successful. So first, and the most powerful tool in the world is believe in yourself. And thank you for listening. Have a nice day.